Hello and welcome to a new episode on IIBM YouTube channel. Myself, I am Dr. Anup Matthew, and today I am going to give insights to IIBM placement cell offerings, or in other words, what all services are offered by IIBM Institute's placement department to their students. As we have discussed earlier, IIBM Institute of Business Management is a leading technology-driven course provider which offers more than 50 industry sought after courses in management, data science, artificial intelligence, and various programming languages, and also on Six Sigma certification. Over the past decade, IIBM delivered numerous courses to more than 25,000 job aspirants, and recently IIBM bagged the award of Emerging Data Science Institute of the Year by WBR Group. Let's come to the point. The IIBM placement cell is striving towards the employability and recruitment of the students in reputed organizations in the respective domains. Also, they offer job mailer facility that generally delivers weekly mails to the students based on the course of the candidate they have completed. Another facility that offered by the placement cell is the live placement orientation sessions that assist the candidates on job search and to help them to get to know the tips and tricks to get placed at the earliest, with a special emphasizing on self-grooming. Usually live sessions are conducted on Sundays or in the Monday evenings by the placement experts because the professionals who are looking for upskilling, they also should be convenient enough to attend the live sessions. Apart from live placement orientation sessions, IIBM Placement Cell has a repository of career assistance videos of over 30 hours. Also, IIBM Institute hosts a bouquet of industry relevant articles in their career blog to guide and widen the horizon of student perspective towards career enrichment. We know that nowadays LinkedIn that plays a vital role in talent hunt by the employers. The scope of it can be optimally extracted only by a career professional. So IIBM's career placement cell guides the students to create an impactful LinkedIn profile to get noticed easily by the employers. Also, IIBM Placement Cell offers professional guidance and training for creating a well-formatted resume to attract the best review or impression from potential employees. We know that creating a well-formatted resume that helps in pulling the attention of the employees. The most valuable service offered by the Placement Cell is the dedicated job portal that's managed exclusively for IIBM students. The students will get access to this dynamic job portal where lucrative career opportunities are found under the placement assistance that students may not get on other general job search web portals like Naukri or Shine or any of that sort. Here I have given the URL of the job portal, that's www.jobsalert.co.in. Apart from all these splendid support offered by the Placement Cell, which no other online course providers offer, that I assure to you, they conduct regular lectures on industry trends by expert recruiters and HR managers from various companies to get an insight to the job market and effective job search. Personalized guidance and corporate mentorship are another salient features of IIBM Placement Cell. Personalized counseling that helps the students to secure a job based on their skill levels and basic education qualification and other competencies and preferences. The corporate membership by distinguished corporate and industry leaders that will help the students to bridge the gap between the job market, academia, and the candidate's aptitude. The most important and the valuable service offered is the mock interviews by the Placement Cell experts. In that, IIBM's recruiting experts conduct mock sessions that replicates a professional interview session and that will prepare the candidates to face the most challenging interview sessions. I assure you, these practice sessions will help them to fine-tune the body language, quick answering, responding in an optimal way, or brush up their communication skills, and so on. In short, Opting for a course offered by IBM Institute enable you to find a quick job or to upskill your career, and the placement cell secures your ambition to get placed in a corporate company. With this, we are winding up this video. Feel free to contact us for any queries regarding this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye from Anup.